AMP value equivalent to $0.0017 a coin. The present reach, $0.0017. $0.0017. The earlier day close, $0.0017. The change was 0.0000. 0.00%. Converse rate, United States dollars to AMP. AMP value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 AMP cost forecast for September 2023. In the first place, cost at $0.0020, greatest cost $0.0020, least cost $0.0014. The normal for the month $0.0017. AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0015. Change for September 25.0%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. Initially cost at $0.0015. Most extreme cost $0.0016. Least cost $0.0012. The normal for the month $0.0014. AMP cost estimate toward the month's end $0.0013. Change for October 13.3%. AMP cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset cost at $0.0013. Most extreme cost $0.0013. Least cost $0.0010. The normal for the month $0.0012. AMP cost estimate toward the month's end $0.0011. Change for November 15.4%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.0011. Greatest cost $0.0013. Least cost $0.0011. The normal for the month $0.0012. AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0012. Change for December 9.1%. AMP cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else cost at $0.0012. Most extreme cost $0.0012. Least cost $0.0009. The normal for the month $0.0011. AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0010. Change for January 16.7%. Bitcoin value forecast 2023. 2024 to 2026. AMP to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. In the first place cost at $0.0010. Greatest cost $0.0010. Least cost $0.0007. The normal for the month $0.0009. AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0008. Change for February 20.0%. AMP cost expectation for WAC 2024. To start with cost at $0.0008. Greatest cost $0.0008. Least cost $0.0007. The normal for the month $0.0008. AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0007. Change for spring 12.5%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. At the outset cost at $0.0007. Most extreme cost $0.0007. Least cost $0.0006. The normal for the month $0.0007. AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0006. Change for April 14.3%. AMP cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place cost at $0.0006. Greatest cost $0.0007. Least cost $0.0006. The normal for the month $0.0007. AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0007. Change for May 16.7%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.0007. Greatest cost $0.0009. Least cost $0.0007. The normal for the month $0.0008. AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0008. Change for June 14.3%. AMP cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at $0.0008. Most extreme cost $0.0008. Least cost $0.0007. The normal for the month $0.0008. AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0007. Change for July 12.5%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. Initially cost at $0.0007. Most extreme cost $0.0007. Least cost $0.0006. The normal for the month $0.0007. AMP cost estimate toward the month's end $0.0006. Change for August 14.3%. AMP cost expectation for September 2024. To start with cost at $0.0006. Greatest cost $0.0006. Least cost $0.0006. The normal for the month $0.0006. AMP cost estimate toward the month's end $0.0006. Change for September 0.0%. AMP cost expectation for November 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.0003. Greatest cost $0.0003. Least cost $0.0003. The normal for the month $0.0003. AMP cost estimate toward the month's end $0.0003. Change for November 0.0%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. To start with cost at $0.0003. Greatest cost $0.0003. Least cost $0.0003. The normal for the month $0.0003. AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0003. Change for December 0.0%. AMP cost expectation for January 2026. In the first place cost at $0.0003. Greatest cost $0.0003. Least cost $0.0003. The normal for the month $0.0003. AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0003. Change for January 0.0%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. Initially cost at $0.0003. Most extreme cost $0.0003. Least cost $0.0003. The normal for the month $0.0003. AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0003. Change for February 0.0%. AMP cost expectation for WAC 2026. At the outset cost at $0.0003. Most extreme cost $0.0003. Least cost $0.0003. The normal for the month $0.0